Ever sent money on Venmo and realized you sent it to the wrong person, or maybe you sent the wrong amount? Or perhaps the item you bought wasn't as described? Don't worry, you're not alone. We've all been there. In this video, we're going to dive deep into how to reverse a Venmo payment. We'll cover everything from the simple oops, wrong person scenario to more complex disputes. So, if you're ready to get your money back, let's get started. Before we jump into the how-to, it's crucial to understand Venmo's policies regarding payment reversals. Friendly transactions, these are the most common type. They're intended for casual payments between friends and family. Unfortunately, Venmo generally doesn't support reversals for friendly transactions. Think of it like cash. Once you hand it over, it's usually gone. Goods and services, this category is for purchases from businesses or individuals. Venmo offers more protection here. If you don't receive the item or it's not as described, you can open a dispute. Now, let's tackle the tricky part, reversing friendly transactions. As mentioned, Venmo generally doesn't allow it. However, there are a few exceptions. Accidental payments. If you can prove it was an honest mistake, wrong recipient, wrong amount, and the recipient is understanding, you might be able to request a refund. Reaching an agreement. If you can directly contact the recipient and explain the situation, you might be able to reach a friendly agreement for them to return the money. Tips for reversing friendly transactions. Contact the recipient immediately. The sooner you reach out, the better. Be polite and honest. Explain the situation calmly and clearly. Offer proof, if possible screenshots, messages, or any other evidence can help your case. Explore alternative solutions. If a full refund isn't possible, could they return a portion? Now, let's talk about reversing payments for goods and services. This is where Venmo offers more support. Here's the general process. Open a dispute. Within 60 days of the payment, log into your Venmo account and open a dispute for the transaction. Provide details. Clearly explain the issue. Did you not receive the item? Was it damaged? Did it not match the description? Provide evidence. Upload any relevant photos, videos, receipts, or communication with the seller. Wait for Venmo's decision. Venmo will review your dispute and investigate. This can take some time. Possible outcomes. Dispute resolved. Venmo may decide in your favor, and you'll receive a refund. Dispute denied. If Venmo doesn't find enough evidence to support your claim, the dispute will be denied. Case closed. If you and the seller reach an agreement outside of Venmo's dispute process, the case will be closed. Tips for a successful dispute. Document everything. Keep records of all communication with the seller. Be patient. The dispute process can take time. Respond promptly. If Venmo requests any additional information, respond as quickly as possible. Understand Venmo's policies. Familiarize yourself with Venmo's user agreement for a better understanding of their dispute resolution process. Preventing payment reversal issues. Double-check before sending. Always double-check the recipient and the amount before confirming the payment. Use the goods and services option. For purchases, always use the goods and services option to increase your protection. Communicate clearly with the seller. If there are any issues with your order, communicate them clearly and promptly with the seller. Consider alternatives. For high-value transactions, consider safer payment methods like credit cards or PayPal, which often offer stronger buyer protection. Important notes. Venmo's policies can change. Always check the latest terms and conditions on Venmo's official website. Dispute resolution is not guaranteed. Even with valid claims, there is no guarantee that you'll win your dispute. Contact Venmo support. If you have any questions or encounter any problems during the dispute process, contact Venmo's customer support for assistance. Reversing a Venmo payment can be challenging, especially for friendly transactions. However, by understanding Venmo's policies and following the steps outlined in this video, you'll be better equipped to navigate the process and hopefully get your money back. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.